Welp, y'all. Time to drop into some loamy goodness and then head over to Snyder's Knob for some rocky goodness. So good. Obviously, I have no clue if any sticks are down or anything, but made it. It's actually really clear today. Get around this corner, and then got this little hill with some rocks at the top, and I have totally lost rear brake. That's not exciting. Oh yeah. Haha. Excellent free ride edition stuff. And now this is actually Snyder's Knob, if you're unfamiliar. That's just a drop in off the fire service road back there. Have a really janky little rock bit to go through right here. I think I need to pull a gear. This little section is I dabbed. Goodness. It's tricky. I always go up and over that. Oh yeah. Into the next rock feature. And over the final one here. Up this and into the rock garden. Always have to pedal a little bit. There you go. That is the Snyder's Knob action. Got this little pedal out here. Oh. Got a little bit close to that rock. Do have this little jib rock down here. And boom. So going that way, that's Possum Track. That'll take you back over to Old Farm. Whew. Good round. How's it going?
Hey, good, how are you?
Pretty fantastic, my man.
Yeah.
Other than that, I haven't done Jabberwocky in a while, but I've been doing like snake root. Been doing a bunch of gapside lately too. Getting back over there, just remembering those prickly pear goods. And
I need to get back over there.
yeah, I went over and just did the skull cap pull down. It was just nice just to push up it, clean the trail up, because it was obviously right after the storm. You're gonna have sticks and stuff. And right after storms, I like to just push up the trail, clean it up on my way, and then at least I know I've got a good ride down.
Yeah.
You know? And a lot of times I just don't have a good 2.5 hours of time to really get out and go 8 miles, 10 miles.
Yeah.
So a lot of my rides just end up being the 3, maybe 5 milers, which is fine. It's nice to still get out and enjoy days like today.
Yeah,
you know? Exciting. I mean, it's beautiful. Where are you headed to now?
Wavelength.
Yeah. I think that's where I'm headed to next.
Nice.
I'll follow you over there, Chief.
Yeah, I think they're doing some filming over there. So
oh, cute.
there might be a lot of people on it.
Interesting.
lead it?
It's up to you, man. Go right ahead. I don't mind following.
I'm gonna probably be going slow.
Oh, that's fine, dude.
Wait, let's see who's on there. Yeah, you can go. I'll follow you.
You sure? All right. I'm slow too, man. And I don't do any big jumps. Yeah, I've spent some time sessioning the lower end and it's really good. Especially since it's so easy to pedal. They've made it real hard to want to go anywhere else and ride. Oh! Hard hit on the rear. Jeremy said there might be some filming going on. Oh, that's the closest I've gotten that. Had to do it on the short side, but still. Yeah, buddy. Still not hitting that one. Whew. Nice rock kick there. Relax. Oh, yeah, must be doing something. Well, you're gonna watch me look like a goob. Like that. Yep. Wasn't feeling it on the first run. Whew. And Wavelength again. And yep, all that filming down there, I'll have to be careful when I get ready to drop into that section. A little cleaner on the rear end this time. Sun was in a horrible spot through there. Whew. Nope. Wonder frog. That's just all there's ever going to be. My goodness. All right, getting down to where they're filming. Thanks, y'all. Everybody doing all right? It's just me coming down. Just me. Ah. Well, that's a wrap from Stonecutters Hollow. Hope y'all enjoyed my little adventure. Conditions were fantastic. Anyway, hope to see y'all for more adventures. But I'm out of here. Go love thy neighbors. Please. Bye.